Kohl Children's Museum presents Home Zone, learning experiences you can do at home.
Our mom is from Scotland, and when she was growing up, she used to make bird's nests with her mom for Easter.
Now we make them every year to put on our Easter table. They are very easy to make, and now we are going to show you how.
When my mom was growing up, she used a kind of cereal that we don't have, so we use pretzels instead. Plus, they're very yummy, covered in chocolate.
Here's what you're going to need. Pretzel sticks, a large mixing bowl, some sort of chocolate, mini eggs, a muffin tin, and some oil.
First, you're going to wash your hands.
Then take the pretzels and break them into smaller pieces. This makes it easier to fit into the muffin tins.
There's no whole ones, so because you can have a couple, but it'd be like right here. But if you do it for the bottom, it's just gonna break in half. So you need them in half or in fourths.
Next, you're gonna melt the chocolate. You can put it in the microwave and mix it every 30 seconds, or you can make a double broiler with a glass bowl and a pot of water. But you have to be very careful not to let any of the water go in the chocolate, or else it will be gooey.
Next, you're gonna pour the chocolate into the crushed pretzels and mix them until it's sticky and all the pretzels have chocolate on them. And then we're gonna pour them in.
If the chocolate's too hot, you can use oven mitts so you don't burn your hands off.
Gunnar, use the spoon.
Okay. So you do little bits at a time.
Okay, put it down.
Put it down.
Freya, put it down.
You mix it with this wooden spoon or spoon until you see this. You mix it with a wooden spoon or just a regular, any type of spoon or any mixing things until it gets like a little cooler. But you have to cover them with chocolate, more chocolate. So we got more chocolate, mixing them up. Oh, this is starting to come together. But once it's like all the chocolate's in and it's kind of cooling down a little, you can use your hands to get it all in there. Sometimes you get a little workout when you're doing stuff like this. Especially with hard pretzels.
Next, you're going to spray your muffin tin so the chocolate doesn't stick to it.
Next, you're going to pour some of the pretzel mix, or with your spoon, into here.
Once you get the pretzel mixture in the muffin tin, you're going to start molding it until there's like a dent in the middle for the eggs to go.
This mama bird will be happy. This mama bird will be happy with a bunch of nests.
When they look like nests, you are going to let them set overnight or put them in the fridge. Then when they're done, they should look like this.
But after you're done, when you use the mixing bowl, when the last thing you do is lick the bowl and the spoon.